there was only one tea stall in the middle of the station, and he wanted a cup of tea. So every time he walked all the way up the platform to get a cup of tea, the whistle would sound and he would have to rush back to his compartment. So when he reached the destination, he went to the station master, took the suggestion book and said, "In no train of the Indian Railways should there be a last compartment." And I feel there should be no last speaker. So I'm going to keep myself very brief. I just want to say a few essential things. One is that I just have to say what an asset to Belgaum this amazing, awesome Mr. Uday Kinchwadekar has been. Thank you. I have seen him. See, he has something which others don't. One is that he has a nose for the news. He can get to the news and present it in a way. They say news has to be presented on the nose. So he gets to the essential aspects of the news, and all over the world people appreciate this. I often get calls from elsewhere about what they have read and about Belgaum, which we haven't even heard about in Belgaum ourselves. Our news reporters are slower than Uday. He works like a busy bee, and I'm very happy that he has decided to help out selecting and getting people some recognition. As he said, it's not about the award, it's about recognizing that there are people amongst us who are doing certain unusual things. Other day I was at a reception with one person who was 90 years old, Mr. D.K. Kamal, and he had said he had come back from Pune, and we said wherever we go to, we rush back to Belgaum. And it's not because of the weather, it's because of Belgaumites, it's because of the people. And we have amongst us certain very rare people whom I feel honored to be with. They've enriched our lives, they've stood apart from the herd. They're normally Belgaumites in a small town or anywhere. We are tied to the grindstone, we have to work from morning to evening, run our shops, go to our fields, whatever it is. But here are some people who listen to a different drummer. I feel very small in their presence today. I have seen people, I know some of them, in fact many of them. I have seen them working, I have seen them swimming, I have seen them, I haven't seen the chess yet, but I have heard about you. But I have heard of, I've been associated with Anita Rodriguez, and you should see the way she dresses the wounds. Deep wounds indeed. I have been once or twice, I couldn't bear to see this deep wound, but she was doing it so beautifully, and this person has been picked up off the street. We have Yvonne Lumax, who has done this work for so many years. They don't crave any awards, they don't crave any rewards, they just do it because it's something which they've been called to do. It's in the nature of a calling. I feel happy, our lives are enriched that we are here in Belgaum, and I wish their tribe increases. And thank you for recognizing them, Uday. Thanks a lot indeed.
Purely public voting, and whatever the votes have said, the result is here. So, please go on.
And the winner is, as they say, the winners are. So the two, okay, what? They're joint winners this year, and the winners are Mr. Niranjan Navalgund and winner also is Mr. Vijay More.
It's always good, but being recognized in Belgaum is again a special feeling, because not only your game is being recognized, and finally you feel yes, chess is into the field now, and then there is potential now that there will be many players coming. I will rather take it as an encouragement for my future progress rather than taking it as an appreciation for my past achievements. And so, and yeah, this is not a one-day task. I've been playing since 8 years. And first and foremost, it all starts with the support by my family, my brother, mother and father, and they were the main components to what I have been here. It's like, it's all starts from the support from every end, the sacrifices made by them. It's like very hard to express, and what always kept me going is the game itself, because I always found that this game is very much connected to the life. The decisions that I take during the game while I play, it's like there's one term which which is very different. There's a term called zugzwang, which of course you might not know. Zugzwang is a term where you are in a position where whatever you do, you lose. I mean, there's a situation like this where anything you do, you are about to lose. And in situations like that, what has kept me going is the way I work, the way I play, the way I progress in the board. Then the same thing I use in life is to keep going, and yes, the miracles always beat the objective. It's like something happens. If there is a desire, something happens. There is help from somewhere.
बसायचं वेळ आली होती त्यावेळेला किती आनंद मिळाला होता त्याच्यापेक्षा डबल आनंद आज मला मिळालेला आहे. आणि सगळे लोक आमचे उदय किंजवाडकर सर आणि त्यांच्या सर्व टीम, आणि स्वार्थ न ठेवता आमचे टीम हा फक्त आवड मलाच तेवढं मिळालं नाही, तर माझ्याबरोबर जे काम करणारे आहेत माझ्या टीममध्ये, त्यामध्ये स्मशानमधले वर्कर्स, परत हर्सवनवरचे ड्रायव्हर, बॉडी उचलून गाडीमध्ये घालणारे जे हेल्पर, वेगवेगळ्या माध्यमातून सगळे आमचे फ्रेंड्स, शैलेश जोशी असो, सगळ्यांचा, अजित कोकणे असो, सगळे जे फोन केल्यानंतर हाक मारल्यानंतर जेव्हा मला बेळगावचे लोक फोनवरती हाक मारतात, मी ज्यावेळेला मी कोणाकोणाला फोनवरती बोलवतो ते सुद्धा तिथं हजर होतात, त्याचं श्रेय सगळं त्यांना जात आहे. फक्त विजय मोरेलाच हा अवॉर्ड मिळालेला नाही, तर याच्यामध्ये जे नॉमिनी झाले त्या साऱ्यांना सुद्धा हा अवॉर्ड मिळालेला आहे. आणि उदय किंजवाडकर सरांनी संपूर्ण जगभरापर्यंत विजय मोरेला पाठवल्याबद्दल, आणि माझ्यासारखं माझ्या टीमचे जे मेंबर्स काम करतात तशा प्रकारे वेगवेगळ्या बेळगाव शहरामध्ये युवक मंडळ असो, समाजसेवा करणारे संघटना असो, त्यांनीही सुद्धा काम करावं. त्यांना जे काय लागेल उदय किंजवाडकर सर त्यांना प्रोत्साहन देतील, त्याच्यात 100% आहे, आणि आम्ही सुद्धा त्यांच्या पाठीशी राहू. आणि माझ्या वडील जेव्हा 84ला वारले त्यावेळेला माझी जी परिस्थिती होती, मला फक्त एक हाफ पॅन्ट आणि एक व्हाईट शर्ट, आमचे बिराजदार सरांना माझी पूर्ण माहिती आहे. जेव्हा मी मॅट्रिकला हरदेश हायस्कूलला जात होतो त्यावेळेला एका ड्रेसवरती 3 वर्ष मी गेलो, कारण 84ला वडील वारले. त्याच्यानंतर ह्याच लिंगराज कॉलेजमध्ये माझं ॲडमिशन होतं. पहिलं वर्ष, फर्स्ट इयर, त्या खाकी पॅन्ट आणि व्हाईट शर्टवरती मी कॉलेजला येत होतो. आज ह्याच कॉलेजमध्ये मला जो अवॉर्ड उदय किंजवाडकरांनी माझे जे अवॉर्ड सगळीकडून ज्यांनी मला मतदान केलेलं आहे त्यांचं किती अभिनंदन करायचं तितकं कमीच आहे. माझ्या हातून माझ्या टीमच्या सर्व मित्रांच्याकडून जास्तीत जास्त किती अडचणीत असलेल्या लोकांना जे हाक मारतील त्यांना मदत करायचं आम्ही सोडणार नाही, आम्ही मदत करणारच. आणि त्यासाठी बेळगाव शहरातल्या सगळ्या ऑफिसर्स, प्रेसवाले, पोलीस डिपार्टमेंट ह्या साऱ्यांचं सहकार्य आम्हाला मिळालेलं आहे. आणि त्यांचाही मी बेळगाव माईटच्या वतीनं त्यांचाही मनपूर्वक आभारी आहे. त्यांनी आम्हाला अशाच पद्धतीने सहकार्य करावं आणि आमच्या हातून जास्तीत जास्त सामाजिक काम व्हावं असं मी अपेक्षा व्यक्त करतो. परत एकदा किंजवाडकर सर आणि त्यांचे सर्व टीम त्यांचे किती अभिनंदन करायचं तितकं कमीच आहे. केव्हाही तुम्ही आम्हाला हाक मारा, त्यावेळेला आम्ही हजर आहोत. थँक्यू.
Function, but with a word of thanks, this function will just get over, but guaranteed next year this won't function, it won't begin. So I would like to thank the principal Lingaraj College for giving us this hall, and also the entire team from CBALC and led by Professor Kadkol for giving an entire very good managed event. I would also like to thank the chief guest, Dr. Nitin Kaur, who is right now just planning to board another bus or a train might be, because I know he's doesn't stay in Belgaum, but a lot of work on his head. Thank you very much, sir. All the nominees who are here, It was a pleasure keeping your images with me for such long and spreading the word. And thank you, the media. Most few were here present, and most of them will get the press releases after this event is over. And all the Belgamites who have got my SMSs, my mails, my WhatsApp messages and everything, thank you for coming here, and see you next year. Thank you.